They say money doesn't grow on trees. But what if I told you, it actually does? Not in coins. Not in paper. But in living, breathing green. A plant that whispers of prosperity, health, peace, and endless abundance. A plant so mystical that cultures across the world call it the fortune keeper, the wealth magnet, the living healer. Welcome to the world of the money plant. Stay with me, because what you are about to hear will not just change how you see this humble vine, it might just change how you live. The allure of the money plant. The money plant is not your ordinary green companion. This plant carries an ancient belief: where it grows, wealth flows. Its round, coin-shaped leaves glimmer like emerald treasures, inviting prosperity into every corner they touch. But beyond myth and mystery lies a deeper truth: the money plant is nature's architect of balance. It cleanses the air, heals the spirit, and restores vitality to the home it dwells in. Why you need it now? Let me ask you this: in a world that grows faster, noisier, and more stressful by the day, what is the cost of peace? What is the value of healing? And what price can you ever place on good health, restful sleep, and the feeling of abundance in your home? Because it does not just sit in a corner, it transforms the energy of your space, it nourishes your health, and it anchors hope where doubt tries to creep in. What it heals. Now, listen closely, because the money plant is not just about wealth of pocket, but wealth of body. It purifies indoor air, pulling away invisible toxins that weaken lungs and age the body. Its calming presence helps lower stress, quieting the restless heart and easing blood pressure. Its greenery nurtures mental health, every glance at its leaves releases a subtle wave of peace, battling anxiety, fatigue, and sleepless nights. And for those who believe in energy medicine, it is said to open pathways of abundance, dissolving blocks of fear and poverty that hold us back. The money plant is more than just decoration, it is healing disguised as beauty. How it's used. So, how do you invite this treasure into your life? Place it at your entrance, and it becomes a guardian, pulling wealth and positivity into your home. Place it in your living room, and it acts as a healer, circulating purified air and lifting moods. Place it in your bedroom, and it calms your nights, gifting you restful sleep. But here is the secret: never let its soil dry completely. Like wealth itself, it thrives when nurtured with care. And never place it in the dark, it craves light, just as abundance craves openness. And for the elders listening, the money plant is a gentle companion. Its low maintenance means it grows with you, faithfully, without demanding too much. Where it can be grown. One of the reasons the money plant has captured hearts across the globe is its versatility. You can grow it indoors, where it climbs, twines, and dances on shelves or walls. You can grow it in water, just a glass jar, a few stones, and it thrives like a living ornament. You can grow it outdoors, where it stretches its green arms into the sunlight. Apartment, bungalow, or countryside home, it adapts, it survives, and it blesses. This is why every home, no matter how big or small, deserves a money plant. The hidden symbolism. And let's not forget, cultures believe that the direction you place it matters. In feng shui, the southeast corner of your home is the seat of wealth. Place your money plant there, and they say fortune multiplies. Even if you do not believe in ancient practices, one thing remains true: the money plant changes how your space feels, it fills the air with hope, health, and quiet strength. So let me ask you, why settle for just surviving when you can thrive with a living symbol of prosperity at your side? Why breathe stale, heavy air when a money plant can purify every breath? Why ignore ancient wisdom, when generations before us swore by the power of this humble green gem? The money plant is not just a plant, it is a gift. A gift of health. A gift of peace. A gift of wealth, in ways far greater than coins can count. If this plant has touched your heart today, imagine what it can do when it touches your home. This is not just another herb, this is a silent partner in your journey of healing and abundance. So, plant it. Grow it. Cherish it. And watch as life itself begins to shift. Because sometimes, fortune does grow on vines. This is Touch of Sexagenarian Herbs Garden. Subscribe, like and share.